this journey to find the promised land.
Lord, we take this journey to find promised land.
And we believe in your power.
We believe in your power.
We believe in your power, Lord. But the end is so close at hand.
Lord, these men are hungry. There just hasn't been enough, and the journey's been so rough.
Lord, these men are hurting. They implore me to go back as the planks beneath them crack.
And I know it's my responsibility.
And I'm starving too, and I hurt I do, and I'm lost.
I believe in my responsibility, but I need to see if the fruits will be worth the cost.
So I'm begging you, Lord, to make it stop. Take a look at your children who believe in your promise of land. Have mercy, Lord. Stop the suffering and the war. Stop, shine your light on these children who are faith in your guiding hands. I'm just begging you, Lord, 'cause there's no place else to go. I know I am not worthy, Lord.
Lord, the ship is crowded. The men are tired and worn, but another baby's born. And Lord, the ship is broken, and the sails are ripped and old, but the winds are rough and cold. And I know it's my responsibility. When I ride the sea, he's been turned to me for a sign. And I believe in my responsibility, but I need to see when it's time for your light to shine.
So I'm begging you, Lord, to make it stop.
Take a look.
At the children who believe in the promised land. Have mercy, Lord, give us signs of that. Oh,
to go.
A new world calls across the ocean. Calls across the ocean.